In 2023, a supermarket launched an AI to help customers turn their leftover ingredients in their fridge into meals. But there was a serious problem. In this video, we will talk about which supermarket it was, what happened, and what it teaches us about AI governance. Let's begin. If you're new here, my name is Lata, Head of AI Governance and Director at Global AI Certification Council. I read AI incident reports from around the world. I help you understand what happened and how to prevent them with proper AI governance. The supermarket was Pak'nSave, a discount supermarket chain in New Zealand. In mid-2023, they released an AI chatbot called Savey Mealbot. The idea was simple and quite smart. You type in the ingredients sitting in your fridge, a minimum of 3, and the AI invents a recipe so nothing goes to waste. It was powered by GPT 3.5. Then a set of people started testing the platform. One user asked what he could make with just water, bleach, and ammonia. It did not warn him. It gave him a recipe, the aromatic water mix. It described the drink as the perfect non-alcoholic beverage and it suggested serving it chilled. Mixing bleach and ammonia produces toxic chlorine gas, but this AI did not have any idea. Luckily, nobody was hurt this time, but the tool was inventing dangerous recipes and presenting them as friendly suggestions. We have a word for this in AI governance: guardrails. Guardrails are the limits you build around an AI so it cannot produce harmful output no matter what the user types in. It's a hard boundary. So the obvious question is, could this have been prevented? Yes, that's why AI governance matters. So I'm going to share with you 3 governance controls that could have prevented this risk. Number 1, input validation. Reject non-food ingredients before it generates anything. Like bleach, ammonia, they're all dangerous. So the bot should have refused it in first place. Number 2, output filtering. Screen the finished recipe against a list of known hazards. Number 3, adversarial testing before launch. Pay people to try to break into the tool before the customer does. Someone typing in a cleaning products or dangerous products is not a rare edge case. It is the first thing the internet will try. This is what AI governance is all about. The job of an AI governance professional is to catch these problems well in advance before it affects people. Hey, by the way, if you're interested in pursuing a career in AI governance, please do check out our Certified Professional in AI Governance certification. I have left a link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this discussion. If you'd like to learn more about AI governance through real-life examples and case studies like this, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.